Hello everyone, this is Mark and Seth at Gus Motors. Today we're in a 2024 Mustang GT. We're going to go over how to change the exhaust modes with an active valve exhaust.
To change the exhaust mode, you're going to want to come down here in the center, find the Mustang button, click it. Once you've clicked it, you'll get your My Mustang screen. In the bottom right down here, you have all your exhaust modes. The first one is quiet. Second one is normal. Third is sport. And fourth is track. Alright, I'm going to head out back and take the camera with me while Mark shows us how all the exhaust modes sound.
And that's how you use the different exhaust modes and what they sound like on a 2024 Mustang GT.